All right, guys, we're gonna let this load up real quick, but I wanted to do another January edition of the My Verizon Rewards, what they now call the Verizon Up. We had another video out there that shows you guys actually how to claim them through the process of actually doing this. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys January's edition. May go ahead and do February, March, just keep going on. Do one a month to show you guys what new that they're doing. If you guys missed the December edition of it, I did not do actually a video. By that I mean the December rewards that they had offering. What they actually had going on was they actually did something during Christmas. It was 7 days of their most popular rewards throughout the year. So there was a couple days, I'll show you guys in here what I actually picked up, where they were giving $5 Starbucks gift card or something like that, and all those were free. It did not require any reward claimings at all. So obviously, let's get going into January's. Right now, you can see there's nothing like it. They've got a flyaway Super Bowl tickets coming, and those are happening in about a day. Today is January 6th. So obviously here on the 8th, they're going to be doing something. So if you guys are watching this video beforehand, you might as well get ready. But let's go ahead and go into the Verizon Up. Let's see what they've got going on. So right now for January, this is what they've offered me. I'm pretty sure it's the same across the board, but if you guys notice that you guys have different things than I do, let me know down below. I'd love to see what you guys have offered. Obviously, it's going to change. So if I claim this Home Depot one, it obviously will go away and it will bring something new in. So obviously, we may not have the identical rewards if you've actually claimed one, but I obviously be always curious to see what else they have out there. But obviously, right now they've got an $8 Prime Video credit, $5 e-gift card from Home Depot. You can see a $5 AMC gift card, $5 device dollars from Verizon. You can use half off an Uber ride, and I actually went into that one, and it is up to a $10 value. So obviously, that's probably the most money that you could save through this one. Obviously, like I said right here, and you can see this is up to $10. And the reason why I went in here, I want to make sure that you don't have to be a new subscriber. So that would probably be a pretty good reward to have. Obviously, maximizing your reward if you wanted to get the most dollar amount out of it. But right now, let's go down to the bonus rewards. I may have claimed one or two of these already, but I'll actually show you guys. You guys will be able to see that. But here's what they have right now. All these are free. None of these that I'm actually showing you right now require any reward coins. I forgot what they call them, but none of them actually require any of your credits. Anything up here does require 1 credit, and obviously they do expire within 60 days, and I think it's $300 that you spend on your Verizon rewards. Your Verizon bill gets you 1 credit. So obviously the percentages aren't real great there, but it's a reward nonetheless. At least they're giving you something. The old Verizon rewards were really awesome. I enjoyed getting, the Yeti coolers or stuff like that I used to be able to save 60, 80 bucks on them. Some cool stuff they used to have in there, but this is their new version, and it's not too bad. And you can see in my other video down at the local offers that you just type in your zip code or your city, and you can actually see the rewards that you can get on there. For example, Qdoba, free queso, chips and queso is usually the one that I always see on there. For me, there's usually 3 or 4 different ones. There's not a whole lot of them there, but what's awesome about those down there is they do not require any credits to use either at all. So check those out, see what your city has to offer. But most importantly, look at this. We've got 1 day and 20 hours and 5 minutes until the Super Bowl flyaway. So what they'll allow you to do is attend the Super Bowl, keep an eye on the countdown to claim. Obviously, you can go ahead and read that. It includes 2 tickets to the Super Bowl and more travel and accommodations included between February 1st and the 3rd. All the way to Atlanta, Georgia. The little fine print down there, you could pause the video and read it if you wanted. Obviously, you are required to be in a fairly large city to get transportation down to Atlanta and stuff like that. Obviously, age requirements. But nonetheless, I'm getting ready for this one. I've set my timers for a day and 20 hours so that I can come back on here. And I've never actually won any super tickets. That's what they call these extra ones. A lot of times you'll see, if you come back and check these, there's Justin Timberlake concerts to Maroon 5 concerts to New York Giants games. And it's weird, because obviously you've got to be localized in that area where those concerts or those games are occurring. They don't provide accommodation or anything. It's just straight tickets. So those are pretty cool to have. But the Super Bowl, let's definitely try to win that one. So as soon as that comes out online, when that 1 day, 20 hours and 4 minutes hits, you're going to be able to select this, and to claim this button right here down at the bottom will be open, and you're just going to click it, and just hopefully that you're one of the first ones to go and be there to claim. And if I recall, I think they do say there's limited quantities. Obviously, they're first come, first serve. I'm not sure if there's multiple of these or if it's literally only 2 tickets and 1 winner. I'm not sure, but we'll be sitting here ready for it to go. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys what January had to offer. I want people out there to use their stuff because obviously these expire within 60 days. So many people are losing, upwards. If you didn't claim anything at all, you could have maximized your rewards and gotten, $60 free through gift cards throughout a whole 12-month period if you're getting a credit a month. That is obviously some people aren't going to be spending $300 a month on their bills. I'm probably averaging 9 or 10 a year, but obviously you guys can come over here to the use, and you can see all the videos, the rewards I've been able to claim over the time. And definitely, if you're listening to me on this one, check back during Christmas because they go through a nice little thing. I did win 1 super tickets one time. It wasn't much of a win. You just literally got on, you got 2 free movie tickets and claimed it within a certain time. So I guess technically I did get a super tickets before, but Christmas came around. They gave a $5 free Amazon card, AMC, that restaurant.com gift card, Starbucks. I basically just claimed them every day I could. And a couple of these local ones. But yeah, that was pretty awesome for them to at least just offer us some free stuff during Christmas. But I definitely want people to use this stuff because it's free money, it's free rewards out there that I don't think a lot of people are used to or using. So hope you guys like the video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process. I pump all that content out there so that I can get enough out there to get that 4,000 watch hours. That's a lot of watch hours. It's 240,000 minutes of people I need watching my videos. So that's not easy to hit. But the struggling one that we're coming down is 1,000 subscribers. There's nothing you can do about those at all. So if you guys like patronizing my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys on board and show you guys what I do. I do a lot of review videos, how to make extra cash on the side and money, and that's what the whole purpose of this YouTube channel is, to see if I can make it, because I know that if I can make it out there and start bringing in money and income through YouTube, then anybody else out there can too. So that's the hardest part, is hitting those requirements before you can monetize your videos. But hope you guys like it. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below, and hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'll look forward to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.